Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a Kraken business account step by step. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, in order to create your Kraken account, you can use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of Kraken. When you are here, click on the option of sign up on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now it is going to redirect you here on the account creation page where you will see two different options. The first is of creating your business account and the second one is of creating your personal account. So since you want to create a business account, simply select the option of business. Now you need to provide your email address over here. Then you need to simply select a password and it should be 12 characters long. It should have one number, one special character and one letter. Afterwards, click on this drop down menu and from the list of the countries, simply select your country. After selecting your country, simply click on the state option and select your state. After filling out the information, check this box of terms and services, then click on the option of create account. Now, Kraken is going to send a verification code on your email address. So you need to open your email inbox. Then from here, simply copy the code and paste it over here. Afterwards, click on the option of continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, Kraken is going to ask you about your business information. So here you need to give the legal entity name. Afterwards, you can provide any alternate name for your company. Then select the registered business address. It includes the street address, the unit, the city, the state and the zip code. Now you need to select, is this the address where your company physically conducts its business? So if it does, select the option of yes. If it doesn't, select the option of no. Afterwards, you need to provide your business number over here. Then select the industry in which your business operates. And then you need to give the answer to these two questions that are available over here in the bottom. Now this particular process includes 5 simple steps. So the first step, you need to provide your business information. After filling out these details, simply click on the option of continue in the bottom. Now, in the business information itself, you need to provide your financial information about your company. So it includes providing the information about your company's net worth. So you can select this drop down menu and among the given options, you can select the one that best suits your company's net income range. Afterwards, you need to select the country in which your bank is located. Then select the source of fund used here. So select the option and click on the option of continue. Now Kraken is going to ask you how your business plans to use the platform. So you can here choose the options like for cryptocurrency trading, futures or margin trading, or converting the crypto to the local currency. After selecting these options, scroll down and select expected monthly trades. So then select expected monthly deposits. Afterwards, select the option of expected monthly withdrawals. So then click on the option of continue in the bottom. Now Kraken will now ask whether your business provides services to the certain restricted countries. So if it does, you just have to select the country in which your company is basically operating or providing the services and then click on the option of continue. Now if it doesn't do anything, you can directly click on the option of continue in order to proceed. Now here you need to provide the details about your account opener. So simply select the option of does your business own or lease the ATMs. So select the option one by one. You just have to give the answers to all of these questions over here. In the next step, you need to provide the documents relating to your company. It includes verifying yourself or your identity via the government issued ID, which can be a passport, national ID, or the driver's license. Then click on the option of confirm and submit. Now they will also ask for the proof of residence. It includes providing the documents relating to the utility bill, bank statement, credit card statement, proof of residency certificates. So after providing all of these details and after filling out these informations and the steps, you just have to submit your application. So Kraken is going to review your application, and when they find that your application is meeting their business account creation requirements, your account will be created within 24 to 48 hours. You are going to get the email from them. So that's how you can basically create Kraken business account on Kraken in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.